Welcome to the Congo, a land of mist, mystery, and life. The mighty Congo River flows through 6 nations, feeding the forest. Mountain gorillas, rare, powerful, and peaceful forest guardians. African greys are master mimics and rainforest messengers. Okapis tall, striped and silent, found nowhere else on Earth. Smaller, quieter, and deeply connected to the forest foo. Meet the forest elephant. Above the forest, the canopy bursts with light, color, and calls. Rain falls almost daily, feeding roots, rivers, and life. After the rain, the forest comes alive with the songs of tiny tree frogs. The forest is home to tribes who live in perfect balance with nature. Salonga, Africa's largest tropical reserve and a sanctuary of life. But deforestation and mining threaten this living masterpiece. Conservation efforts and reforestation are bringing hope. Let's protect the Congo Pal, for life, for Earth, for tomorrow.